We're having an Easter egg hunt with Jaren and Tanner. Hi.
Hey boys, come over here. Jaren, come over here.
Look, see there's some eggs over there. Can you get some eggs?
He's just going for that basket.
Alright, no, put it in.
It's alright, we'll split them up at the
Put it
end.
in. Alright, we'll get another one. It's hard to get these two boys in the same frame.
Yeah, that's alright.
Jordan, can you help Jaren find some eggs? Oh, he's got it.
Good job.
Put it in. Alright, go get another one.
Jaren, show me your egg.
Another one.
Egg. Here comes Tanner.
No, not that one. Jaren, put it in the basket.
Tanner, looky. Look, Tanner.
Put it in the basket.
Right here.
Good boy, good boy. Look, Jaren. Here, look.
There's one over here. Can you find that one?
Egg? You see it?
Yay.
Oh, pick up the egg. Jaren, can you pick up the egg? Egg? Jaren, look. Look, baby, look. Pick up the egg. Jaren, look.
It's okay.
Look. Pick it up. Look. Here, baby.
Pick him up and put him in there.
Yeah. Grab. Put, you won't take it.
It's okay. I'm just having fun. Do you have something in your mouth, kiddo?
Grass.
Oh.
Do you need help? Come over here. I'll help you get it out. Oh, you're trying to.
Keep putting more and more in there.
Good
Okay.
boy.
Here's Tanner. Tanner's gonna be the winner.
In the basket. All right. Jaren, look. One. Eggs. Eggs. Jaren, come here.
You don't like this game so much?
Jer Bear. Jaren. Look, eggs. Eggs. Yeah, you found one. Tanner, put it in the basket. Jaren, go put it in the basket.
Right here, Jaren.
Yay! Yay!
Jaren, look. Look, egg. Egg, right there. See it?
Oh, Tanner can get it. Sorry.
Okay.
There's one over here.
Yeah, you found one! You found one! Yay!
Boy, go put it in the basket. Go put it in the basket.
Yeah,
Good job.
Good.
And what about these ones over here?
Yay!
Hey, Tanner, come here.
So I'm gonna mow the lawn.
Tanner.
Tanner's gonna mow the lawn.
Good boy. Good, yay.
Tanner found an egg! Yay! Another one.
Come here, Tanner. Put it in the basket.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, here's Jerry.
Yeah.
Put him in here. Good job. Now that
Now
one.
put it in the basket. Don't open it.
All right.
Put it in the basket.
Put him in the basket.
Go put it in the basket, baby.
Put it in here.
In the basket. Good.
Yay!
Jaren, look. Two more. Two more.
Tanner got it.
Jaren, look right here. See that one? Yeah. Put it in the basket. Good job. Oops. Pick it up.
Good boy.
Good job.
Alright, the battery's dead.
Okay, that's good enough.
Jaren, don't go back there. There's no eggs in there.
Oh, actually, there is one right there, but I'll show you. Oops. Put it in here. Jaren says turkey.
He said that. That's a lawnmower.
One over there still.
Yeah, there's a big one here, too.
That big red and yellow one. Oh, I see
Well
it.
hidden.
I think I did that on purpose because it's so big I thought it would be too obvious. Now they're gonna
Hey,
play on
boys.
the lawnmower.
Yeah, get off the lawnmower.
Time to play at the lawnmower. Come on.
Come get some eggs. Hey, looky. Here. Right here.
Okay, that's probably good.